How to use the Library APA Guide. For building citations or checking citations from online generators, use the Fleming LIbrary APA Guide. You don't need to memorize APA, you just have to know how to use our guide. Remember that citations have two parts. The in-text in the body of your work that tells your reader each time you've used a source, and the reference list at the end with the full publication information for each source you have used. You must use both in-text and reference list entries. Now let's head over to the APA Guide. From the library homepage, scroll to the large icons and select Citations. Choose the APA tab. There is a lot of helpful information here, and it is worthwhile to explore this whole guide, but today we will go straight to the tab Citation by Source. Choose the format of the source you want to cite. The most common source formats are articles, books, class lecture notes, and websites, but you can see there are many options here. Let's choose articles. Each format page has a menu, so you can quickly jump to the example you need. Each source type has a template, which tells you what information you need and what order it goes in. Then there is an example of a real source, so you can see how it looks. Using the template and the example, examine your source for the pieces of information you need and put them in the correct order. You may need to look at more than one example. All the punctuation, spacing, and italics are deliberate, so look closely and follow the example for formatting. Each example also includes the in-text citation. You may have further questions based on your particular source. Check the menus and other boxes on the guide for guidance and tips. If you still have questions, contact us through Ask on Chat, by email, or by visiting the library. We're here to help.